Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation 4 error code NP-36006-5 on your PlayStation 4. And this is a version where we're going to do a complete reset of the PlayStation 4 and hopefully get rid of that error on our PlayStation. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So the NP-36006-5 error on the PlayStation 4 is a problem because when you get corrupted data with your trophies on your PlayStation 4 and you try to start a game, it will kick you back to a blue screen. It will log you out of your PlayStation 4 and it won't allow you to play your video games on your PlayStation 4 any longer. And this is very annoying. So if you haven't already tried deleting trophies at 0%, go ahead and do that. Delete your username, delete your user profile, recreate it on your PlayStation 4, log back in, try that. And the third and final thing you should try is initializing your PlayStation 4, which I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And it's very simple. This is pretty much the last option in terms of what you can do to fix this error on your PlayStation 4. So I'm on the home screen of the PlayStation right now. Let's go up to the top, go to settings, and then go all the way down to the bottom on your PlayStation 4 and go to initialization right here. And go down to initialize PlayStation 4 and you'll have two options, quick or full. The full version will completely delete data from the PlayStation 4 and this method takes several hours. And the quick version, it will delete all the users and all the data off the PlayStation 4. I would recommend doing the quick version, then go to initialize PlayStation 4. So your PlayStation 4 is now completed initializing and you'll have to create a new user on your PlayStation 4. So go to the screen, go to accept and go to next on the screen. And you'll have to sign in with your account email address and password. You don't have to go to new to PlayStation Network, just go to sign in then. After typing in your email and password. So now on your PlayStation 4, you'll have to redo the theme. Go to settings right now and then go down to application save data management and go to save data in online storage and go to download to system storage. Press options and go to select multiple applications, select all and download everything to your PlayStation 4. If this happens, go to apply all and go to yes. Now go back to the home screen here, go over to trophies, press options under the screen and go to sync with PlayStation Network. And hopefully after initializing your PlayStation 4 and resyncing your trophies on your PlayStation, this error no longer applies to you. And you can play your video games without getting kicked back to the home screen. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.